Embarking on a weight loss journey can feel overwhelming, but there is a powerful tool that can make the process much simpler and more effective. Meal planning. Meal planning involves predetermining your meals and snacks for a specified period, whether it's a week, 2 weeks, or a month. This proactive approach to nutrition offers numerous benefits and can be a game changer for those striving to shed extra pounds. In this video, we will delve into the power of meal planning and how it can help simplify your weight loss journey. Point 1. Time and stress savings. Meal planning eliminates the last-minute scramble to figure out what to eat. By dedicating some time each week to plan and prepare your meals in advance, you save valuable time and reduce stress. No more aimlessly wandering through the grocery store aisles or resorting to unhealthy takeout options when hunger strikes. With a well-thought-out meal plan, you can have all your ingredients ready and know exactly what to cook, saving both time and mental energy. Number 2. Portion control and calorie management. One of the key factors in successful weight loss is managing portion sizes and calories. Meal planning allows you to take control of your portions by pre-measuring and pre-portioning your meals. By knowing exactly what and how much you will eat, you can better adhere to your calorie goals and maintain a healthy balance. This method helps prevent mindless overeating and promotes mindful, intentional eating. Number 3. Nutritional balance. When you plan your meals in advance, you have the opportunity to create a well-balanced diet that meets your nutritional needs. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meal plan. Strive for a colorful plate filled with nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. With a balanced meal plan, you can ensure that your body receives the necessary nutrients while supporting your weight loss goals. Number 4. Accountability and consistency. Meal planning adds a layer of accountability to your weight loss journey. When you have a plan in place, you are more likely to stick to it and resist the temptation of unhealthy food choices. By consistently following your meal plan, you establish healthy habits and routines that support long-term weight management. This sense of structure and discipline can be instrumental in achieving your desired results. Number 5. Variety and enjoyment. Contrary to popular belief, meal planning doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or culinary creativity. In fact, it opens doors to explore new recipes, flavors, and cuisines. Incorporate a diverse range of foods into your meal plan to keep things interesting and enjoyable. Experiment with different cooking techniques, spices, and ingredients to add excitement to your meals, while staying on track with your weight loss goals. Conclusion. Meal planning is a powerful tool that simplifies your weight loss journey by saving time, reducing stress, promoting portion control, ensuring nutritional balance, fostering accountability, and adding variety to your meals. By taking the time to plan and prepare your meals in advance, you set yourself up for success and make healthier choices effortlessly. Embrace the power of meal planning and witness the positive impact it can have on your weight loss journey.